Good morning children, in the last class we discussed on 10.2 exercise. Up to 5 problems I explained 5 problems on 10.2. Now I go for 6th problem children. I go for 6th problem, exercise 10.2. Exercise 10.2, 6th problem. A cylindrical pillar has diameter of 56 centimeters and is of 35 meters height. Height how much? 35 meters. There are 16 pillars around the building. How many pillars are there around the building? 16 pillars are there. Find the cost of painting the covered surface area of all the pillars. All the pillars. A cylindrical pillar has a diameter of cylindrical diameter is what? 56 centimeters. The diameter of each cylindrical pillar is 56 centimeters and height is 35 meters. There are 16 pillars. How many pillars are there? 16 pillars. Find the cost of painting the covered surface area of all the pillars at the rate of 5 rupees 50 paisa per square meter. I hope already it is completed. In the last class, 6th problem is over. In the last class, 6th problem I explained. Now we go for 7th problem. The diameter of the roller is 84 centimeters. Road roller. This is a road roller. This is the roller. Road roller. The road roller rolls like this. Road roller. The diameter of roller, the diameter of a roller equal to 84 centimeters. R is equal D by 2. 84 by 2, that is equal to 21 centimeters. So here 21 centimeters. 21 centimeters. The length means height. Height is equal. What is the length of this? This length is 120 centimeters. 120 centimeters. Road roller has diameter 84 centimeters. Diameter is 84. R is equal to D by 2. 84 by 2. That is 84 by 2. 2 for the 2 2s are 22 centimeters. The radius is 22 centimeters. 42. 2 for the 2 2s are 2 42s are 84. Length means height 120 centimeters. It takes 500 complete revolutions. The road roller is pushes. He pulls back. He rolls the road roller how many times? 500 times. 500 rolls. 500 rolls. Like this. It rolls 500 times. What is the area covered in each roll? So, area leveled in 500 complete one revolution. Area leveled. Area leveled in one revolution is equal covered surface. Covered surface means 2 pi r. Area level means LSC. It levels. It rolls one time. What is the area level in one time? The area level when it road roller rolls in one complete revolution, area leveled in one revolution is equal to 2 pi r. How many? 500. Area leveled in 500 revolutions. Area leveled area level in 500 complete revolutions equal to 500 into 2. One area level in one complete revolution is 2 pi rh. 500 means 500 into 2 pi rh. So 500 into 2 into 22 by 7. The radius is 42. The height is 120. 7 6 are 40. So if you multiply all these, find the area in square meters. In square meters. This is square centimeters. This is square centimeters. Here asked, find the area of the playground in square meters. Change it to square meters. This is all square centimeters. When you change into square meters, 10,000 square centimeters equal to 1 square meter. 10,000 square centimeters equal to 1 square meter. 10,000 square meters equal to 10,000 square centimeters equal to 1 square meter. This is 500 into 2 into 22 into 6 into 120 square centimeters equal to how many square meters? These square centimeters change into square meters. 10,000 square centimeters equal to 1 square meter. Okay. 1 square meter is 100 into 100, 10,000. 10,000 square centimeters equal to 1 square meter. 500 into 2 into 22 into 6 into 120 square centimeters equal to how much? So 500 into 2 into 22 into 6 into 120 by 10,000. This is the square meters. 2 zeros, 1 0, 1 0. By 1 by 2 10, 2 cancel. 12 is 72, 22 into 72, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 7 to the 4 is 3, 4, 1584. 1584 square meters. Children, nothing is there, just I changed it to square meters. Because the area he asked to express in the square meters, we got the area in one complete revolution. The area level in one revolution is equal to 2 pi rh. In 500 revolution is equal to 500 into 2 pi rh. The radius and height given in the centimeters. We got the answer in square centimeters. He asked to express in the square meters. 10,000 square centimeters equal to 1 square meter. How many square centimeters you got? 500 into 2 into 22 into 6 into 120 square centimeters equal to how much? This by this we got 1584 square meters. Now what is the area level? 1584 square meters. I hope you clearly understood. I go for next 8th problem, children. 8th problem. Okay, right? The inner diameter of a circular well is 3.5 meters and it is 10 meters deep. Find the inner chord surface area. Inner diameter circular well. Circular well means the well is like this. Well is like this. The well means you know the circular shape. It is cylindrical shape. The bottom of the well will be in the round shape. This is a well. This is the well. This is how much depth is there? 10 meters. The depth of the well is 10 meters deep, and diameter is 3.5 meters. Diameter of the well. Diameter of the well is equal to 3.5 meters. Radius 3.5 by 2. That is 35 by, remove the decimal. Decimal is after 1 place, 1 0. 5 7 5 4. So 7 by 4 meters radius. Depth h is equal to 10 meters. Find the CSA, inner core surface area. Inner surface, inner CSA of well. Formula is 2 pi RH. 2 into pi 22 by 7. The radius is 1 by 4 into h is 10. So 1 is 7. 2 1 is 2 is 4. 2 11. 11 into 10, 110. 110 square meters. Inner core surface area of well is 110 square meters. Second bit, find the cost of this. Cost of plastering core surface area 40 rupees per square meter. The cost of plastering. The cost of plastering of CSA at 1 square meter equal to how many rupees? 40 rupees. How many square meters is what? The cost of CSA of the cost of plastering. The cost of plastering of CSA of 110 square meters equal to how much? So 110 square meters into 40. So 11 44. How much? The cost of plastering of this core surface area of the well is 4,400 rupees. 4,400 rupees. This is the answer. I hope you clearly understood, children. Next, I go for ninth problem. Okay. Ninth one bit I tell you, second bit you do it. Okay. Ninth. I hope you clearly understood. Right? Now, ninth problem. Ninth problem, children. That to find the total surface area of closed cylindrical petrol storage tank whose diameter is 4.2 meters and height is 4.5 meters. The total surface area of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank diameter. So diameter of the tank. Diameter of tank. Diameter of tank. Tank is the cylindrical shape. Is equal to 4.2 meters. Radius find out. Radius equal to d by 2. 4.2 by 2 to the 4.1 meters radius. And height is equal to 4.5 meters. Now find the total surface area. PSA of tank. PSA of tank. PSA formula 2 pi r into plus 2 into pi 22 by 7. The radius is 2.1. H is 4.5 plus radius is 2.1. 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.1 into 6.6. 7 3 0.3. So here if you multiply 2 into 22, 44, 44 3 is 132, 132 into that, so 8712. Decimal is one place, total 2 places. So 87.12 square meters. 87.12 square meters. Next, you do second bit. Second bit is easy. How much sheet is required? How much? So in this first bit is over. This is the first bit. First bit is over. Second bit, how much steel sheet was actually used? So this is the area. This is the area. What is the total surface area of the sheet is 87.1. In this they used 1/12. 1/12 of steel was wasted. 1/12 of steel was wasted. How much steel sheet was actually used? So total area is 87.1. Okay, this is the total surface area of petrol storage tank is 87.1. This is sheet. This is the sheet. In this, they used only 1/12 steel. They used, we don't know how much sheet was used. 1/12 sheet was wasted. 1/12 of the steel sheet was making the tank. When they made the tank, by shaping it to a cylindrical tank, the material used, how much material is wasted? 1/12. Wasted material is equal. Total material will be 1. Total sheet will be total sheet. Whole thing means 1. Total sheet. Total sheet means quantity. Total sheet is 1. How much sheet was wasted? 1/12. Wasted sheet. Wasted sheet is equal 1/12. 1/12 of the sheet was wasted. How much sheet was used here? How much sheet was used? So in this 1/12, 87.1. 1/12 of sheet. 1/12 sheet of wasted sheet 1/12. 1/12 of this. 1/12 of this. Total sheet is 1. Wasted sheet is used sheet. Used sheet is equal to 1 minus 1/12. Whole part is 1. 1/12 was wasted. Used sheet is equal to total sheet minus wasted sheet. 1 minus 1/12. So 12 minus 1/12. So 11/12. So used sheet is equal. What is 1/11? Used sheet is 11/12. 11/12 of TSC. 11/12. TSC how much was? 87.1. You simplify it, you will get the answer. Okay, I hope you clearly understood. Okay, the total sheet is 1. Total part is 1. Wasted sheet is 1/12. Used sheet equal to 1 minus 1/12. 11/12 sheet is used. Or area is how much? 87.1. So the used sheet is equal to 11/12 of the area of the sheet. 87.1. If you simplify it, just simplify it, you will get the answer. Right? Now I go for 10th problem. You do it, children. 10th problem, very easy problem. I will give the hint. One side open cylindrical drum has inner radius about 28 centimeters, and this height is 2.1 meters. Height changed into centimeters because the radius given here in centimeters. The height also changed into centimeters. Height 2.1 meters, change into centimeters. 2.1 into 100. So 210 centimeters. How much water we can store in the drum? Express in liters. So find out volume. Volume. How much water means? The water can be expressed in the volume. No, you have to find out the volume of the tank. So after getting the volume, change into cubic centimeters. Okay. 1000 cubic centimeters equal to 1 liter. So and so cubic centimeters equal to how much? We'll get it. Very easy 10th problem. Okay. I hope you can do the 10th problem. Now I go for 11th problem. 11th. Did you understand 10th problem? Okay, I will get the answer. There is a problem. A one side open cylindrical drum has inner radius. Radius is equal to 28 centimeters. Height is equal to 2.1 meters. 10 into centimeters. 2.1 into 100. 210. 210 centimeters. Volume find out. Volume of drum. Volume of the drum. Pi r square h. Pi 22 by 7. Radius is 28 into 28 into h is 210 cubic centimeters. Change it to liters. Express 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeters. 1000 cubic centimeters equal to 1 liter. 1000 cubic centimeters equal to 1 liter. How many what? 22 by 7 into 28 into 210 cubic centimeters equal to how many liters? This divided by 1000. 22 by 7 into 28 into 210 by 1000. These are the liters. So 4 is 28. So multiply it. After getting multiplication, keep the decimal after 2 places. You will get the answer. Yes, this is the question. So the 11th problem also most important. So this we will discuss in the next class. I hope you clearly understood. Thank you.